So right now I'm inside and I have to like come down a little bit because of my camera. But I am making top ramen noodles. See, so it's like right here that I'm like making the top ramen noodle. And um, I just want to talk about the type of folks that I love. So I love happy people. I love red people. I love colored people. I love transparent people. Sometimes I also like angered people. I'm gonna add like the soup base to it now, which I'm gonna add like inside of like this nice color like bowing. So I'm just gonna like push all this like inside of there. Oh my gosh. I was inside of my room watching He-Man. I happen to be a fan of He-Man. And if you're not up on it, get up on it. Because He-Man is like the tea. And then I'm gonna like opening like up this and I'm gonna put this inside. And this is like the one that I'm having. Just this one right here. And I have some pepper inside of the ramen. I'm gonna put some pepper to it. And it's like taste inside. I'm really trying to lose weight. It's been like really hard for me to try and lose weight. So instead of like being boohoo about it, like I said, I'm gonna use like the Elmo because I think Elmo's like really right on par for losing weight. And I'm gonna change my diet to where I eat like 3 meals a day and drink plenty of water. And I'm gonna cut my coffee drinking into tea drinking. Hmm. I guess I'm not gonna have to pepper. Mm. Mm. I just now didn't have the inclination to want to use drugs. Like right after that. I want to be more responsible and get more stuff for my room and for me. I hardly have clothes and I want to get me more clothes. Mm. Yeah. And maybe hang with friends like how I used to. Because it's been a while. Well, I eat all of it. Yeah, I eat all of it. And all of it. I'm still not gonna drink that sweet base. Oh my gosh, I need to get me some iced water. some cool ice water. So I'm gonna stop the video here. And a hui ho no kikako mahalo. That's my gig on Hawaiian wording. If I'm wrong, forget me not. Odo shaka brada, shaka brada, shaka brada. All right, this has been APK getting at ya. This has been oops, I put my hair still. This has been Lucifer Satan getting at ya. Bam.